Some tips of home design you should consider. Home design is the most important thing you need to think about if you would like to build a new home or create renovation. There are some tips you should know which are related to this design. By understanding them, you will be able to do the proper thing for your home so you can enhance your home with the right option of decor and design, and you will get the enjoyment from them. And then, it will make you more relaxed in your rest time. The function of the room is the first consideration if you would like to make the design for your home. By knowing about the function, you will be able to determine the right thing and the design you make will be beneficial. Besides that, you should consider about the style, which takes an important role in getting the right decor. You should choose the right style that is suitable with your willingness and personality. Also, it must fit with the function of the room. Also, you need to consider who will place the room. If it is your child's room, you need to make it based on your child's willingness, and it must be appropriate with the age. You cannot make the design for your room to be the design for your child's room. Also, you should think of the placement of objects and items at the rooms because they can alter the flow of movement to both the body and the eye. So, you can make the room different with others and you will be proud for having them.